Hello. My name is Mark Salting, and my presentation is about acid rain. So, what is acid rain? Acid rain is any form, or sorry, any acid rain is a rain or any other form of precipitation that is usually acidic, meaning that it is elevated, has elevated levels of hydrogen ions, and it can be harmful to the environment. And you can see it's like right there is a smog of like the acid, so it's like killing things. Forms it can take What forms can it possess? It can take snow and fog. And the pictures here are like what it kind of looks like, and that's the snow developing, and that's like also like the smog going. So it's like gonna do like a little cycle, like snowing. There's snow here. How is it caused? Most acid rain is caused by the human activities along with industries and the burning of fossil fuels. And what happens? So sulfur dioxide and nitrogen ions are released into the atmosphere. And right here, you can see it go up, and you can read it here. Winds then spread these acidic solutions over hundreds of miles, and it goes over, and after it falls to Earth, which is rain right here, it enters the water system as runoff right here, and it sinks into the ground. Right here, it's already sunken because it's like already hurting, and right here, I'm gonna show why is it bad, and like an example. I'm gonna show like what are the results of it basically. Where North America, Eastern Europe, China, and India. And for North America, Canada is affected a lot. Which is right here in this area of Canada. And so right here. So these are like the results of acid rain, of how bad it is. Right here in Ontario, Canada, plankton develop a layer of they develop a layer of mucus or like gel. And as you can see here, it's like really squishy because the ones who survive, they adapt to it, and so they need to protect themselves. Others basically die, and like right here, shows right here, like the fishes that have died, they didn't like adapt to it. Majority of them don't because it's like something that's like new and like they don't know what that is, so like they're gonna die. And in Mount Emi, Ma, right here, this is before and after picture of a little Buddha statue. Basically, this is before and this is after, and you can see the droplets and like it's discolored and it's like right now. I seen a video on YouTube and parts of it's breaking apart because it's like how bad the toxins are. So it's like dissolving it also, and it's just really bad. And in Guiyang, China faces 6 times the amount of acid precipitation than New York City, and that's a picture of it. And that's like that sucks. I'm sorry, excuse me. That's sad. So for people, how do we like everyday people? What causes it? Things like cars, lawnmowers, edgers, anything that burns gas or diesel that gives off fumes. Like as an example, like lawnmowers, like that will go up, and then it'll like cause acid rain, and like will travel not in the city, but like it'll travel maybe in the city too. We don't know. I don't know yet. I couldn't find anything like. I couldn't find like San Jose acid rain. All I knew is that like it rises and it just travels like in the beginning, like I explained. And how do we prevent it? We have to replace items that give up gas. You know, like we have to use more electric items and battery operated items. An example to like the solution right here would be like this lawnmower, a battery operated lawnmower. And another way to like prevent it us would be like to use less electricity because electricity is made some of it from to burn fossil fuel. And for industries, fossil fuel combustions, 2/3 of like the bad air is sulfur dioxide, and industries cause this. And for the bad air, like 1/4 of nitrogen oxide in the atmosphere are from industries, like the bad air. And that's like a lot. That's a lot. So for the solutions would be to add scrubbers. So basically, attaching a device known as a scrubber in the chimneys of the industrial power plants reduces the amount of toxins released by smoke. And another solution for industries would be more self-maintenance. Industries would have to regulate inspecting and cleansing the emissions, equipment, chimneys, and pipes to like actually go instead of like on their computer, like to actually like go check it themselves. Another cause of this is vehicles. So basically, the exhaust from cars, trucks, and buses releases nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide into the air. These chemicals can cause acid rain. Chemicals travel into the air and rain down. Really bad. And a solution to this would be to walk, drive less, use public transportation, for a more budget-friendly way. And another one would be to choose fuel-efficient vehicles, like electric cars would also be a solution. And this is my works cited page, and I use these 3 main ones for the majority of my slides. And thank you.